Welcome to Paradise Splash at Little Tuscany. Palm Springs, come in. So this is a beautiful home. It's our first time staying here and it's a brand new rental. So right when you walk in, the accents here are just gorgeous. Of course, this has touches of John Patrick. You know him as John Patrick Palm Springs. So the whole house is fantastic. Let's go. So here's where you're greeted. You have all the welcome information, and there's so much great art and just fun stuff everywhere. You see like the Casablanca. Super fun bar area. I love this happy hour sign. This just screams, make some margaritas. Oh look, it's Sunny and Cher. So this is so fabulous. Now you have in this area alone, look at all of these wonderful sitting areas. Could I be more obsessed with this pillow? Then you have a great fireplace. Then you have this, I love the print on these chairs over here. So you have all of these wonderful sitting areas just in this one room. This just says relax. Well, why not? Cocktail Country, a great big screen TV. Can we talk about the print of this wallpaper? And another just beautiful area to hang out. Now we're walking down the hall to see some of the bedrooms, and I just love every inch of this place. It's just perfect with all these wonderful touches. So here's the smallest bedroom right here. Cool cat, I love this. This is so fun. Just even that chair, I mean, everything is just picture perfect. And then there is a private bathroom here. There's another big bathroom here. And let's go see, oh, how cute are these dogs? Let's go see the next bedrooms. Over here, this just screams me with this purple. How fun is this? I have to do a photo shoot here. I'm not even kidding. Like, don't mind me. Check my Instagram. I will be posting a photo here. And then I love it. Marilyn is right here. And then I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek of the pool area. But don't worry, we're gonna take a much closer view. Here is the next bedroom. This is a king size bed. I love the blue touches. You have a desk here. I mean, that green bird is so fun. TV, more fun Palm Springs art, everything. Oh my God, I love this. Look at all of these clocks. And then check out the size of this closet. Incredible. Okay. Now this is the formal dining area. You can see just every touch. Look at that giraffe lamp. How awesome is that chandelier? And now we're gonna head down the steps here to another bedroom. And once again, I just love all these classic pictures. Look at Elizabeth Taylor, Lucy and Ricky, Fred Astaire, amazing. And then you have a pool table, billiard area right here. Another TV. Here is a look. There's a great area to hang out and eat breakfast or whatever. Here is the massive kitchen. As you can see, we've got some charcuterie, which I can't wait to get into from On the Mark. And now let's look at the master bedroom. And here we go, 2 steps down, and check out the size of this room. Audrey Hepburn. I love this chaise lounge here with the animal print. So the bed, how gorgeous is this green velvet? The wallpaper is to die for. I just want that pillow right there. Like, all of the details are so fabulous. Let's take a look at the bathroom. And I have to show you this tile. Like, first we got a heating light system going on right there. But just to get some light. So this shower is so fun. I feel like that deserves its own photo shoot. I just love this. Like, this just feels like I would be happy just never leaving this room. Look at this piece right here. But now we must go to the pool area. We are heading out. This is my son, Asher. Say, hey, Ash. So we're out at the pool area now. There's just so many wonderful areas to relax. I could put my baby here and just hang out. There's super fun games. I love Corn in the Hole. Then this, I love this Palm Springs with a flamingo. Have to get a picture there. Then there's a hot tub area. And now we have just this stunning lounge area over here. I'll get closer for you. This is the pool area. And you have lots of places to lay out. There's a fire pit over there. Let's get closer to the bar. Look at the frog here. I die. Like, how obsessed. All of this is so fun. Whole pool area is just so fabulous. Love this. Oh, this is like your freezer. We could do a whole thing here. Look at this bar area. And now we're looking at the other side of the house. Here's a closer look at the fire pit. And I love the way they've just worked with these boulders. And now you can see just how expansive this whole area is. And look, more turtles and tons of stuff for the pool, for your kiddos, so you can really make the most of your time here. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Paradise Splash here in Palm Springs. All the information about how to book this house for yourself and all additional details are in the description below. Bye.